Recent statements from US President Donald Trump have sparked concern among European leaders, after he once again raised the possibility of the United States acquiring Greenland. The comments come amid heightened geopolitical tensions following developments involving Venezuela. Greenland is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark and holds strategic importance due to its Arctic location. While it governs its internal affairs, Denmark oversees defense and foreign policy, making Greenland part of the broader NATO framework. Its position near major Arctic shipping routes and emerging security zones has increased international interest in the region. The White House has suggested that the issue of Greenland is not going away, and US officials have declined to rule out military options. These remarks have raised alarm among allies, who view them as a serious challenge to international norms. Diplomats warn that such statements risk increasing tensions within long-standing international partnerships. European leaders quickly rejected the idea, stressing that Greenland's future can only be decided by its people and Denmark. Denmark's Prime Minister emphasized that any attempt to seize the territory would threaten regional stability and NATO unity. Canada expressed support for Denmark while framing the issue within NATO's broader security concerns. Canadian leaders highlighted the growing importance of the Arctic region, but avoided escalating rhetoric, instead calling for cooperation among allies. Officials emphasized that maintaining unity within the alliance remains essential for regional stability. These developments come as the US administration highlights its role in Venezuela's ongoing political struggle. Supporters say Washington is asserting leadership, while critics argue the tone suggests a willingness to act unilaterally across regions. Greenland's Prime Minister sought to calm fears, saying there is no expectation of an immediate takeover. Denmark, however, urged the international community to take the situation seriously and requested urgent diplomatic talks with US officials. Greenlandic leaders reiterated that any decision about the territory's future must come from its people through democratic processes. Danish officials also stressed that dialogue, not force, is the only acceptable path forward. Analysts warn that continued pressure over Greenland could strain alliances and destabilize the Arctic region. The dispute highlights growing competition over resources, security, and influence in the far north. As tensions continue, European leaders are urging dialogue, restraint, and respect for international agreements. The coming months may determine whether this issue becomes a defining test for NATO unity and transatlantic relations. This report is a rewritten summary of publicly available news for informational purposes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global updates.